Hi, welcome to Morgan's Cooking. I'll be your host, Morgan. This is my assistant, Jemima.
Great name, by the way.
Jemima?
Oh.
Sounds like vagina.
I love it. Talk us through it, honey.
Well, I'm just doing what most cooking shows do. That's cheating by getting everything ready and then making it look super quick. And I put it all together.
Assholes. You know what'd be really funny? Chopper Reed cooking show would be hilarious.
No, perish the thought.
We're cooking vegan food.
Is that a vegan beer? No, it's
Yeah,
not.
they don't put meat in it. It's wine you gotta worry about.
Oh.
What's going on here? Yeah, this is unit stuff.
Don't you put this on me. You're having a man look.
There's that much shit there. We can't throw anything out in this house. Cheers.
Oh, I would just like it on the record that I'm in Febfast and so no alcohol and Morgan's just not.
Yeah, well, like I said, we're cooking vegan. I've got to balance it out. What we're doing here is just whipping up some stuff in the kitchen for you guys. Now, I'm doing something vegan. If people who know me know that I'm just not vegan at all. But this is something that I came up with myself, and it's my quick vegan nachos, which surprisingly actually taste fucking awesome.
They do, babe.
Yeah, right? So we're just going to show you real quick what we've got here. Some of the ingredients, I'll post it all. But the first thing that we're going to show you how to do is just how to make vegan mozzarella. Straight up, half a cup of cashews, put it into something, cover it in hot water for like 10 minutes.
Oh, it's a ball.
Look at this. This is what I got to deal with. Trying to be professional. And Anna is just like
I got
spilling
it
shit
everywhere.
everywhere. Get out of my kitchen.
For anyone that gets annoyed that when their husband gets in the kitchen when they're cooking and gets in the way, I'm that guy.
So, look at this. All this kitchen space. All this. All this. This is where I'm working. This is where she comes to do it, whatever the hell she was. You are just out of control.
I want it to be off screen. Sorry, honey. Not really.
Alright, cool. So we got that doing its thing. Next thing we need is a blender cup, 100 mils of water. Let's bring close up. Now this here is arrowroot flour. They call it,
Arrowroot.
yeah, fuck, hold on.
I think it is arrowroot.
Whatever that says.
Tapioca.
So then we take that, just 3.5 tablespoons. Now this stuff, apparently this is like catnip for vegans, right?
Cats are strangely addicted to this fragrant herb. They return for a fix of its heady scent again and again. Its aromatic oils make them frisky and playful as they fall deeper under its influence.
I don't know, you can smell that. How would you describe the smell?
Ugh.
Yeah.
But it tastes good.
But I'd cheat. I'd cheat a little bit. I'd chicken.
No, you don't.
I'd cheat because some garlic paste, 1.5. Throw it in the sink for Anna to clean up later.
He really means that too.
So don't forget, very important, vegan cheese, 1 capful of apple cider vinegar. So that is the base, and all you got to do is just wait 10 minutes for that. All the almonds go in. Blade.
So the nuts blend.
Yeah. But while we're waiting just for the almonds to do their thing, this is the nacho sauce. All it is, 1 can of black beans. The secret way. Mission salsa. Chipotle. It's not zooming. There it is. Not focusing. There it is. The chipotle one. Black bean chipotle. Oh, yeah. How strong am I?
You big strong.
I cracked it earlier to not look like a pussy on the vlog.
Really?
Yeah, because it's fucking tough to get off. You can add, if you want, like the whole can.
Put it all in.
Jar. Or I can add more beans. You know what I mean?
I want max flavour.
So you go. Whole can in there. Alright. Sous chef sauce here, what is going on?
Morgsy has just given me the really important job of putting the nachos together. And I actually feel like I am really apt at this because I'm obviously everything needs to be perfect for me. So good job, honey, giving me the job.
Alright, vegan mozzarella. It comes out looking like that. Take it. Oh, sorry, that was probably a bit too hot. Give that a bit of a stir. Already said thickening up and going stringy. There you go.
Was that how you make it?
Yep.
Yeah, wow.
Probably could do.
There you go, guys. Look at that. That's magic. I haven't seen him make it before.
Vegan mozzarella.
That's so cool. There you go.
Probably could do with a little bit more water. Just coming out like a ball of mozzarella.
It's going to go on there.
Alright, sous chef.
Like gooey mozzarella. Crazy.
Don't be shy with that cheese, honey. Look like you've been a bit timid there.
I know.
There you go.
Mmm. Oh, that's a big jalapenos. Now, word of warning, it's spicy. The jalapenos, if you don't like heat, obviously don't put jalapenos on.
In the oven, 12 to 15 minutes.
Go, 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 go. Because now it's guac time. I think Morgsy makes phenomenal avocado.
I don't make avocado, I make guacamole.
Oh, whoops.
A plant makes avocado.
Honey, it's been a long day. We always have our other sous chef right here. Hello, darling.
He doesn't do much other
He
than fart.
farts. He just farted before. Oh, and our other sous chef who just meows. Tarzan, puss puss. They're not really friends.
Alright, just get one avocado. Boom. Pork. Handful of red onions.
Yum. Do the hot chef thing.
I need salt to do that. Do like a salt bay like this.
Oh yeah,
It's quite
drip
gross.
it down your ass.
Quite gross. So everyone gets stingy with the lime.
Yum. You're just in everything, babe. So this is a pretty good balanced vegan meal, really. The mozzarella cheese is just for people that need cheese. But it's
Can't have nachos and not have cheese.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But
Vegans
it's-
have ruined enough, they're not going to ruin nachos. And that's it. We're just going to wait for that shit to come out the oven.
have a
And,
sip of your beer.
That'll be it. Now I'm going to clean up.
Okay.
There you have it.
Amazing.
What's the verdict?
Oh my god. Honestly, even if you're not vegan, well, I think it's powerful just to do like a meatless Monday, right? Which is Monday today.
Yeah.
It's worth it. They're
Yeah.
so good.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching our vlog. If you've liked what you've seen, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you want to keep up with us on the daily, be sure to head over to Instagram and check out these handles.